Have you ever wished someone special would think about you or miss you and maybe even reach out to you out of the blue? Maybe it's an old flame, a potential partner, or someone you've always felt a deep connection with. If you've been longing to manifest this connection, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of Neville Goddard's most profound teachings, how to use the law of assumption to manifest someone specific to miss you and think about you constantly. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the technique, but also feel empowered to use it in your own life. Before that, I have a surprise for you. Are you ready to bring more positivity, confidence, and peace into your life? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is designed to guide you on an incredible journey of self-transformation. And for just $4.99, you can start making real, lasting changes in your life today. So why wait? Begin your journey today. Download Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days for just $4.99 and start embracing a more positive, empowered you. For less than the cost of a coffee, you can take the first step toward real, lasting change in your life. Make the choice to invest in yourself. Get your copy today. So back to the topic. Now, let's start with a simple question. What if I told you that the person you want to connect with is already thinking about you, that their feelings for you are just a reflection of your own thoughts and assumptions? Stick with me, because this isn't just wishful thinking, it's rooted in the powerful principle that everyone is you pushed out. Imagine this, you're sitting at home, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly you get a message from them. Hey, I've been thinking about you a lot lately, it says. Your heart skips a beat. How would you feel? Excited, overjoyed, loved? That feeling is the key to manifesting them to think about you. Here's the truth. Everything in your reality is a mirror of your inner world. Neville Goddard said, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and act as though it were already realized." When you assume that someone is missing you and thinking about you, the universe has no choice but to align with that assumption and make it real. Let's talk about why this works. Have you ever noticed how your thoughts about someone can shift the way they act towards you? Maybe you've had days where you were confident and assured, and people seemed drawn to you effortlessly. On the flip side, when you felt insecure or doubtful, it seemed like everyone kept their distance. This isn't a coincidence. People respond to the energy you project. Neville teaches us that our imagination is the most powerful tool we have. When you vividly imagine someone thinking about you with love and longing, you're planting that idea in your subconscious. And because the subconscious mind connects all of us, the person you're thinking about will feel that pull. So, how do you do this? Let's break it down into actionable steps. Start by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Relax your body and let go of any tension. Now picture the person you want to manifest in your mind's eye. See them clearly, their face, their expressions, even the way they hold themselves. Feel their presence as if they're right there with you. Next, imagine them thinking about you. See them smiling as they recall a moment you shared. Hear their inner voice saying, "I miss them. I can't stop thinking about them." Let this scene play out vividly in your imagination, like a movie you're watching unfold. But here's the crucial part. Feel the emotions as if it's already happening. Feel the joy, the warmth, and the connection. The more real you make it in your imagination, the stronger the energy you're sending out. One of Neville's most famous quotes is, "Feeling is the secret." It's not just about seeing the scene in your mind, it's about feeling it in your heart. When you combine vivid imagery with strong emotions, you're activating the law of assumption in the most powerful way. Now, you might wonder, but what if I have doubts? What if I feel like this isn't working? That's completely normal. Doubts are a part of the process, but they don't have to stop you. Whenever doubt creeps in, gently remind yourself that you're the creator of your reality. You don't need to figure out how this will happen. Your job is to believe it's already done. Here's a real-life example to inspire you. I once had a friend named Sarah who desperately wanted to reconnect with her ex. She felt like he had moved on, but deep down she believed they were meant to be together. Instead of reaching out or trying to convince him, she decided to use this technique. Every night before bed, she would imagine him thinking about her, missing her, and feeling an irresistible urge to call her. Within a week, he reached out. He told her he'd been thinking about her nonstop and couldn't ignore the feeling any longer. They ended up meeting for coffee, and that conversation rekindled their relationship. Today, they're happily together. What made the difference? Sarah stopped focusing on lack and started living in the assumption that he was already missing her. She didn't chase or force anything. She trusted the process and let her imagination lead the way. If you're still with me, here's a little bonus tip that can supercharge your manifestation. Write a letter from the perspective of the person you want to manifest. Pretend they're writing to you, pouring out their thoughts and feelings. What would they say? How much do they miss you? How often do they think about you? Let this exercise deepen your emotional connection to the outcome you're creating. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. Manifesting someone to think about you isn't about controlling them or manipulating their feelings. It's about shifting your own energy and assumptions so that the reality you desire flows naturally to you. When you focus on love, connection, and the joy of being wanted, you radiate an energy that's impossible to resist. Neville said, "You are already that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe this is the only reason you do not see it. So let go of any resistance and step into the version of you who is already missed and cherished by the person you desire." Now it's your turn. Tonight, take 5 minutes before bed to visualize them thinking about you. Feel it deeply and trust that it's already done. And when it happens, because it will, come back and share your story in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs a little inspiration today. Remember, you have the power to create the reality you want, one thought and one feeling at a time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.